Ever wondered about the various terms and jargon used in the world of RV camping? Well, today Mojo Reviews is going to embark on an enlightening journey into the realm of recreational vehicles and their associated terminology. Buckle up as we explore 20 such terms, one by one. First up is this refers to camping in an RV without hookups, typically in remote or off-grid locations. It's camping in the wild, away from the hustle and bustle of traditional campsites. Next we have this is a facility where RVers can empty their wastewater tanks, which include black and gray water. It's essentially the RV's bathroom stop. A term you'll often come across is, these are campsites that offer water, electric and sewer connections for RVs. It's like bringing the convenience of home utilities to your outdoor adventure. Is another interesting term. It refers to a section of an RV that can be extended to increase interior living space when parked. It's like having a pop-out room on wheels. Now let's talk about, this term describes camping without hookups or amenities, often in a more primitive or remote location. It's about getting back to the basics of nature. The term doesn't refer to a spare tire. It's a type of RV that is towed by a pickup truck using a special hitch mounted in the truck bed. Moving on to which is wastewater from sinks and showers in an RV, separate from black water that contains toilet waste. Is the amount of weight that is placed on the tow vehicle's hitch when the RV is connected. It's like the RV's handshake with your vehicle. Is a device that converts DC power from batteries to AC power for running appliances in an RV. It's the RV's personal power station. Are blocks or pads used to level an RV when parked on uneven ground. They are the RV's balancing act. A is a campsite that allows RVs to drive straight through without backing up, offering easy entry and exit. Refers to a campground specifically designed for RVs, typically offering amenities like hookups, showers, and laundry facilities. It's the RV's vacation spot. Is electrical power supplied to an RV from an external power source, such as a campground pedestal. It's like an RV's power cord to civilization. The term is a slang term for a vehicle towed behind an RV, also known as a dinghy. It's the RV's little buddy. A is an RV with a garage or storage area for transporting motorcycles, ATVs, or other recreational vehicles. It's an RV's adventure locker. Is another term for boondocking, often used by members of the RVing community. A is a system for cleaning the black water tank in an RV using a built-in sprayer. It's essentially the RV's cleaning routine. Is the valve used to empty the black or gray water tanks in an RV. It's the RV's drain plug. Are stabilizing jacks used to level an RV when parked. It's the RV's steady support. Finally, is the valve used to release wastewater from the black or gray water tanks in an RV. It's the RV's release mechanism. Understanding these terms can help navigate the world of RV camping with more confidence and efficiency. So next time you embark on an RV adventure, remember these terms and you'll be speaking the RV language like a pro. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to Mojo Reviews for more. Happy RVing!